The folks at Reallusion have recently released AccuFACE 2, and AccuFACE is Reallusion's AI-powered facial motion capture system for iClone. This simply allows you to use your webcam or pre-recorded video to automatically drive facial performances on 3D characters. And version 2 now leverages the GPU to handle computer vision and tracking workloads, delivering ultra-low latency, full-frame facial tracking while minimizing CPU workload, and the result is way smoother than previous generation. And AccuFACE 2 produces even more smoother viewport experience, highly responsive real-time performance with an exceptional stability. This tool has been built and specifically optimized for character creator 5 high-definition characters. With GPU acceleration support, AccuFACE 2 now drives characters with high precision for that realistic feel. And for those who like to follow up on this, or possibly you'd like to read up on it, then you can simply go over to the link in the description that'll bring you right here, where you'll be able to read up about it. And of course, you can see that there are some very impressive cool features that this currently offers. And one of the biggest updates here is the new AI tracking feature, as the folks at Reallusion has rebuilt the AI tracking model for AccuFACE 2. And this makes the facial capture much less dependent on perfect recording condition. The system now includes automatic calibration and lighting adoption. So instead of spending so much time setting up the performer, you can essentially plug in a footage and let it figure out the face. And this is designed to handle things like low light, strong contrast, directional shadows, different skin tones, motion, and larger head rotations. And of course, all of these with traditional motion capture can be very frustrating, but AccuFACE version 2 is designed to be much more forgiving and can handle all of this easily. Another major change which is now available with AccuFACE 2 is that AccuFACE 2 is designed to use your graphic card to process the AI tracking, giving you the performance needed for real-time capture. And currently, this system supports both NVIDIA graphic cards and AMD GPUs as well. And speaking about things AccuFACE 2 supports, arguably one of the most important parts of animation or facial animation is the mouth and also the eyes, as this is where most of the conversations and expressions gets to be perceived from. And for a long time, we've actually seen various motion tools not have like that perfect look when it comes to facial performance, but AccuFACE seems to be solving all of that, because of course you can have like a perfect eye tracking and a beautiful head movement, but in most cases when the lips doesn't match the wordings, the character simply looks a little bit off. And AccuFACE 2 now puts a huge emphasis on high-frequency lip movement, as Character Creator 5 high-definition facial system supports up to 128 lip moves, allowing for a much more detailed articulation. So whether you're talking about subtle differences between sounds, the lips aren't simply opening and closing, they're changing shapes continuously as the performer speaks. And if you have a dialogue-heavy animation or cinematic, this is going to make a huge difference. Another thing that will make a huge difference is AccuLips and tongue articulation, as AccuFACE now works with AccuLips to bring additional lip and tongue articulation into the workflow. This is one of those features that you might possibly not notice immediately, but over time, when you compare it side by side with simpler character facial rigs, these differences can be seen spot on. Now here's one cool feature with AccuFACE 2, and that is the expression curves. And expression curves can be very useful, especially when you're trying to exaggerate or simply adjust several movements of your character, from a simple soft smile to a much more aggressive jaw movement. Then the expression curves will come in handy, as the expression curves lets you change how your captured facial data drives the character, and you can easily adjust the intensity of individual facial regions. At the same time, you can use this to create non-linear responses and even use one facial signal to influence another, thereby creating sort of a driver in this regard. So for example, if you like a smile to trigger the ears of a character, you can easily do that. So one expression can drive a different expression, allowing you to direct your performance as intended. Accompanied with the expression curves includes the cleanup and refinement tools that we already have. And we know that no motion capture system is perfect, including when it has to do with facial performance. And that is why the folks at Reallusion have also included some very interesting refinement and cleanup tools that you can use alongside AccuFACE to give your facial performance a boost. From strength balance, which you can use to increase or reduce the intensity of different facial regions, all the way to grab neutral pose, one of the best that you should definitely go ahead and try out, which you can use to establish your facial baseline. And this is going to save so much time when it has to do with adjusting your facial performance to fit the source material, and this is going to help a lot of creators get even nicer and cleaner facial performance captures. At the same time, we've got some other interesting ones, which includes the smooth filter, which helps remove unwanted jitters. Then we've got the noise that you can use to clean up noisy tracking while maintaining the overall expression. And of course, with this workflow, you can simply capture, refine, add direct, and get your final animation out. And with AccuFACE, you can now combine both facial and full body animations together and create amazing stuff. The folks at Reallusion have put together these amazing cool tools that you can now use to drive both facial and full body motion. And if you like to see stuff even in the most cinematic way possible, then you want to consider taking a look at the Ultra Head that the folks at Reallusion are currently rolling out. The Ultra Head Sampler is a collection of high-quality realistic character creator 5 heads that have been designed to showcase the new facial system. And these are built around the CC5 high-definition facial structure with high-quality facial details and custom head mixer preset. So you can throw these into your mixer and mix them as much as you want. The folks at Reallusion are slated to release 63 high-quality heads that you can work with. Currently, 5 has been released and the rest are on the way. And of course, for those who like to read up about all of these, possibly you like to see how it works with the actor mixer, then I'm going to link all these ones in the description so you can go ahead and check it out. And speaking about things that you can check out, the folks at Reallusion are currently celebrating their 26th anniversary and they're doing a huge sale offer right now, which is going to save you a lot. So if you're thinking about getting any of their products, you can actually go ahead and save up on a ton of things. So if you're thinking about getting their perpetual license, you're now getting this for 50% off, which is an absolute steal. At the same time, if you're thinking about getting this based off subscription, for those who like to try out some of the product before making that final decision, of course you can also go ahead and check them out, and most of these are doing 40% off. Huge sales are right now, and for anyone that's thinking about grabbing any of these, or possibly you'd like to grab a bundled product which includes Character Creator 5 alongside the actor mixer plus the Ultra Head sample, links to all of this is going to be in the description. And for those who like to grab AccuFACE 2 with the free demo kit, then this is also going to be right there for you to check them out. For those who like to take a look at some of the freebies that they have, links to this is also going to be in the description, so do well to check them out. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section, and I'd like to see you guys in the next one. Peace.